What is up, my slimes? We're finally back in the Iron Duke. It has been quite a long time since we have played in her. But you know, I feel like we've been neglecting her, so let's give her some attention here and see what we can do. Don't remember how she performs at all, but we've got everything maxed out on the upgrades except for the commander stuff, which also I couldn't click into my commander at the start of this game, so I'm not really sure what's going on there, but I assumed, you know, eventually one of these days I'll just load up and be able to, so who knows? It's not really a big problem right now. The biggest problem right now is finding someone that we can shoot at. It's pretty barren right now. I was fully expecting some ships to come through there, but like maybe not. So I guess I might just wait to see if I can get shots at the graph speed over there. Alright, where? Should I just get forward through this gap and risk it? Maybe a Scharnhorst and I stick together here?
Capture that area.
Not really sure what's going on right now, to be honest. Seems like I should probably keep my guns swung over here. Okay, it looks like we're gonna mob together through this slip. Alright. Yeah, let's get it. Oh wow, it's the same camo I had on my Scharnhorst on the Xbox. Sorry, this is rough right now. I don't know what. This is such a weird fight right now. AK fight's not even happening. We're like 5 minutes into the game and 2 ships have been blown up. Oh yeah, now we're really cooking. Yeah, this cruiser's gonna be like, what the fuck's going on? Whatever, I'll just take the shot, I don't have anything else to do. Yay! We're on the damage board, guys. We did it.
Our team has taken the lead. Torpedoes, dead ahead.
This is such a weird game. Like, I don't know why everyone's like just hiding. Oh, there we go. This has been the most uneventful game ever. I'm sure this has been very entertaining for the 3 viewers to watch. Like, I'm hoping that cruiser's randomly gonna. Oh, that cruiser's blown up. Okay. Welp. There's a U-boat somewhere? Where the frig is that at? I was flying to get over that. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do that, buddy. I just want my guns to turn right now. Oh shit.
Spotter destroyed. Confirmed penetration. Main turret critically damaged. Ship is on fire. Enemy cruiser destroyed.
Holy shit. I think it was worth it though.
Problem solved, sir.
I think it was worth it for that cruiser kill.
Enemy battleship sighted. Destroyer sighted.
We found ourselves in a nice little position here.
Our victory is in sight. Our team has taken the lead.
Pour it on him. Oh my gosh. Word told me to get back. I wanted to call you a moron, but I guess to work out. Nice work, Sean. What about me? What about me? Oh, so we just got a U-boat somewhere? We can manage with that. We can manage. Where is this U-boat at? There's Captain B right now. Oh, you almost did it, buddy. Damn, I didn't get my GGs in. Yeah, I feel like that's about fair. Well, thanks for watching. Have a good day or night. I love ya.